Take all the springs off so that we can see. You've got gears here, okay? And these set for different heights. Usually this gear right here, this is called first, all right? When the bar moves in here, that's negative gear. So that takes us from like, let's call first gear around 5, 5, 5, 6, okay? This pulls us down to our itty bitties, okay? Cindy, Stacy, I don't know where you'll be on that spectrum. Body length and leg length makes a difference, so that's one thing you also have to put in consideration. Height isn't always the important thing. When we're in negative gear for our under 5/5s, we're going to slide the gear. Yeah, watch your fingers there, guys. You have to take the stopper out, okay? Comes all the way in, and you can attach your springs easily, okay? If you know you haven't taken your stopper out, if when you go to attach, you have to pull really hard to get it there. So you kind of see the distance between the spring right now is pretty big. It shouldn't be like that. You should be right there next to them, okay? Once we get to our 5/5 person in first gear, we move the gear, the stick back. You have to put the stopper in, and the black thing points to the wheel. So you set that in, you come in, and then you attach your springs. And again, it's right there. There's maybe a little wiggle room, but it's right there. 5/5 or 5/6, 5/7. We're getting up there. We're going to move it back one more step. That's second gear. The stopper goes back one more time. So again, you're pretty close there.
Little holes drilled.
There's little holes drilled, exactly.
Okay.
Yeah. And then like you've got your folks that are 5'9", 6 feet. Okay, my guy's 6'2". You're gonna pull him out there. See, right now I haven't moved my pole yet, right? So if I just put the stopper in, I'm gonna have to really pull hard. So I've got to, if you start to notice you're pulling too hard, you need to remember you gotta move your pole. And then you can attach your springs there. Okay, can you see that, Amy?
And then sometimes we get them on and we still have to look at the body positioning, right?
Exactly.
The ideal
And
is,
we'll address that when we looked at teaching, but yeah, there's requirements of what it needs to look like to know that your person's in the right place. Basically, it's knee over hip. Okay, that's what you're looking for at 90 degrees, knee over hip. Okay, so let's set this up for, let's just set it up for like a 5/5 person. We're gonna go to first gear. We're gonna attach. Okay, so that's your gear. You have a foot bar also. Foot bar is usually set either all the way up or all the way down. Okay, usually best, or it is meant to be out like this. I always say kick the kickstand forward, because if it's back like this, it gets in the way a little bit of moving your springs. Okay. You also have from all the way up, it goes down one step and it rests on the wood part of this support. You have one other step down, which is to go underneath that, and it sets right here. Okay. There is no exercise where this is like an actual setting, but it can be used as a modification for some exercises, okay? But this is not normally a setting. Just for the sake of the video, if it's not up or all the way down, this is stomach massage setting, okay? It drops the bar down just a little bit, okay? So just so you know, that's your stomach massage setting. Okay. We move up. You have your shoulder blocks or shoulder rests. Everybody calls them something different. And you have your headrest. Headrest can be all the way down. It can go up, one step up, and then it can go all the way up. Okay, so you've got those 3 levels. And handles and leather straps. Usually when you're using these, your feet are in them. Hands in these. Okay. All right, so now I just want a video converting this reformer to a tower unit. Okay, and then we're gonna move on. So when you convert to a tower unit, you drop your handles all the way down to the floor, and you have to detach your springs. Okay, so you take the springs all the way off, you roll this back, you bring your foot bar up, and rest it down here. Okay. We should actually probably put that there so it's not moving. You lift from the pole, Bring it all the way up.
I didn't know
Lay
it did
down
that.
flat.
Awesome.
Okay. So you can easily lay your mats down. The mat without the strap goes all the way back here
And you're gonna switch to the other side to bend
against the
that
poles.
opposite arm.
Mm-hmm.
Yep, and then thread it through. Try to roll over toward the back seat.
And the mat that has the foot
Try
strap
to really stretch out that upper
hangs,
arm.
the foot strap hangs off the back.
That
And you
feels
just
good.
want to make sure, like even maybe step away. See, I mean, it hits real flush against the wood. Sometimes it'll get a little crooked, obviously, and you just need to make it fit like a little puzzle. Get it right in there. Okay, you can stop that.